My name is Tim Peters, and I'm a consultant with Morrison and Company. Today we're going to talk about cost allocations, both what they are and why they're important, and then we're going to walk through an example together. Cost allocations are something that we use in accounting as a way of splitting up shared costs within an organization, such as labor or office overhead. The goal with cost allocations is to find a meaningful way to allocate costs between between multiple departments, rather than just evenly distributing them between every department in an organization. You want to find a meaningful way of splitting up each cost so that you get a more accurate financial picture of what costs are associated with what departments. By painting a more accurate picture there, you get a better internal financial comparison between departments, which is useful for organizational decision making, such as seeing which departments deserve more resources and which ones deserve to be cut altogether. So we have an example here of two different products, and we're going to be allocating the labor dollars between each of these products. Now, the best way to allocate your labor dollars is by labor hours. So we have product 1 and product 2 here. We produce 200 units of product 1 and 150 units of product 2. The labor time that it takes to manufacture a unit of product 1 is half an hour, and it takes 1 hour to manufacture product 2. The cost per hour that we're going to be using here is $10 an hour, and so the way you calculate the dollars to allocate to each product is you take the number of hours spent on each product and multiply it by your labor rate. For product 1, we have 200 units times half an hour, that's 100 hours. And for product 2, we have 150 units at 1 hour per unit, 150 units, or 150 hours. And then we multiply it by our labor rate, and we get $1,000 allocated to product 1 and $1,500 to product 2. And now these labor dollars allocated would flow through to the internal financial statement for each of these products.